Today we are going to learn about Pythagoras Theorem. So where we use Pythagoras Theorem? We use this theorem basically in the right angle triangles. Let's state that. In a right angle triangle, the longest side in the right angle triangle is opposite the right angle, which is 90 degree, and is called the hypotenuse. So in the right angle triangle, the longest side is called hypotenuse, and the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of, the sum means add, you need to add, of the squares of the other two sides, which are called perpendicular and base. So hypotenuse whole square is equals to perpendicular whole square plus base whole square. So this can also be, we can write this as hypotenuse square is equals to PERP whole square, which is perpendicular, plus base whole square. And also we can use the symbols. H square is equals to P square plus B square. So make sure that's the whole squares. Now, let's draw a triangle. We need to draw a right angle triangle. And making a right angle that is 90 degree to one of the side. So let's suppose this is a right angle triangle which is 90 degree. Now, we can also name the triangle A, B, C. And also the sides, the length of the sides, this is taken as A, B and C. Now, we can write this as C square, which is hypotenuse, AC is the longest side, is equals to A square, which is perpendicular, plus B square, which is base. So AC is the hypotenuse, which is equal to C. We have taken the length of this side, AC is as C. AB is the perpendicular side of this right angle triangle, and we have assumed small a be the length of this, and BC is the base, which is equals to small b. So we have assumed that. Now, let's find the unknown lengths so that we can understand the Pythagoras theorem in a better way. Suppose we have given the question that we need to find the unknown length in the right angle triangle. So for that, let's draw a right angle triangle first. Making a right angle at B. 90 degree is a right angle triangle, so we have given the name A, B and C. So at B, there is a 90 degree angle. So let's assume AB is given to me 10 centimeter and BC is given to me 15 centimeter. Now we know the formula. What we need to do? Hypotenuse whole square, which is the longest side in this right angle triangle, is equals to perpendicular whole square plus base whole square. So the longest side is equal to the sum of the other two sides with the square on top of that. So hypotenuse is AC whole square, perpendicular is AB whole square, plus base is BC whole square. Now we have given AC is x, so we can write AC as x square. Similarly, we can write AB as 10, which is already given. So 10 whole square plus similarly BC is given 15, so 15 whole square. So we know that 10 times 10 is 100. Plus 15 times 15 is 225. Now we need to add these two quantities. So x square will be equals to 325. Now we know that when square goes other sides of equal, it will become under root. So x will be equals to 325 in the under root. So x will be equal to 18.0277 centimeter. I solve the under root. So x will be equal to, if we round off this number, then we get x will be equals to 18.03. Because 7 is greater than 5, that's why we can take 2 as 3, or AC can be written as 18.03 centimeter. Make sure units are equally important. So AC is the length of the side of this right angle triangle. Let's do some more questions. Suppose we have a right angle triangle. Let's draw it. A right angle triangle. And there is a 90-degree angle. Of course, if it's a right angle triangle, and one angle needs to be 90 degree. A, B, C, I have given the names. Suppose 18 meter we have given to us and 11 meter AB given to us, and let's assume BC is small b. Now again we're going to use the same formula. We know that hypotenuse, the longest side, whole square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Now we know that hypotenuse is AC, so we can write AC whole square is equals to perpendicular is AB, so AB whole square, and base is BC plus BC whole square. Now AC is given to us, which is 18. So 18 whole square is equals to AB, which is 11 whole square, plus BC, which is B, small b square. So 18 times 18 is 324, and 11 times 11 is 121 plus B square. Now we need to take 121 to other sides of equal to, because we need to solve this equation. So 324 take away 121 is equal to B square. Now we know that 324 take away 121, we're left with 203. So B, now we need to do the under root, because square, we know that, we need to remember that when square goes other sides of equal to, it will become under root, or we can say it will become square root. So it's one and the same thing. Under root, square root, same. So B under root 203 is 14.2478 meter. So we can again round it to 2 decimal places, or maybe 1. So can be written as 14.2 meter. Or we can say that BC, which is the base of this right angle triangle, is equal to 14.2 meter. So in this way we can find the length of either hypotenuse or base or perpendicular. So whatever the side is missing. So let's do one more example in which we need to find the hypotenuse. Let's draw one more right angle triangle, making a right angle which is 90 degree at B. Let's name this triangle and let's see what sides are given to us and what we need to find. Of course, we need to find AC, as I said. So ABC, 2.4 meter is given to me for AB, which is perpendicular, and 4 meter for the base, which is BC, given to us. Now D we need to find. So we have assumed AC, the longest side, which is D. We know the formula. Hypotenuse whole square is equal to perpendicular whole square plus base whole square. Now hypotenuse is AC. So AC whole square, perpendicular is AB, AB whole square plus BC whole square, which is base. Now we can put the value of AC, which is D square, AB, which is 2.4 whole square, plus BC, which is 4 whole square. So now open this one. 2.4 times 2.4 gives me 5.76 plus 4 times 4 give me 16. We need to add the values. We will get 21.76, and now square becomes square root when it goes to other sides of equal to. So square root of 21.76, which is equal to 4.664 4.762 meter. Don't forget the units, very important. So D, we need to round this one to 2 decimal places. It will be 4.66 meter, which is equals to AC. So in this way, we can find any length of the right angle triangle if 2 are given. Okay, that's it.